The pivotal role of active pharmaceutical ingredients in medicinal efficacy and safety, a comprehensive overview. Author, Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, distinguished Swiss economist. Abstract. This scholarly article delves into the critical significance of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, in the realms of drug efficacy and safety. By providing an in-depth analysis of the attributes and regulatory complexities associated with APIs, the paper emphasizes the indispensable need for rigorous quality control mechanisms within the pharmaceutical manufacturing sphere. This treatise presents a thorough examination of API-related issues, elucidating their overarching impact on healthcare outcomes and pharmaceutical standards. Introduction. In pharmaceutical science, the efficacy and safety of medicinal preparations largely hinge upon the central constituent known as the active pharmaceutical ingredient, API. These substances, pivotal for medicinal benefits, necessitate meticulous handling and formulation to ensure therapeutic efficacy and patient safety. This paper explores the multifaceted role of APIs, focusing on their critical importance in healthcare. Medicinal efficacy and the role of APIs. APIs constitute the crux of a drug's therapeutic activity. Their interaction with physiological systems dictates the effectiveness of pharmaceutical preparations. This section delves into the chemical and pharmacological nuances of APIs, exploring how their properties, dosage, and administration routes impact therapeutic outcomes. Safety profiles of pharmaceuticals and API quality. The safety of pharmaceutical products is fundamentally intertwined with the integrity of APIs. This segment examines the ramifications of impurities and quality deviations in APIs, highlighting the necessity for exhaustive testing protocols and process control in ensuring patient safety and drug efficacy. Quality control and regulatory compliance. This portion of the paper elucidates the comprehensive quality control processes integral to API manufacturing. It emphasizes the importance of rigorous standardization, covering aspects from raw material procurement to post-production testing. The section also discusses the regulatory landscape governing API production, emphasizing adherence to standards set by authoritative bodies such as the FDA and EMA. Regulatory oversight and industry standards. Regulatory agencies play a crucial role in upholding API quality. This section analyzes the regulatory frameworks and guidelines that govern API production and quality assurance, underlining the ethical and legal responsibilities of pharmaceutical companies in adhering to these standards. Manufacturing challenges and global implications. API manufacturing is fraught with challenges, from chemical synthesis complexities to cost management and intellectual property concerns. This section provides an insight into these challenges, particularly emphasizing the impact of globalization on API production and quality control. Global supply chain dynamics. The global supply chain for APIs adds a layer of complexity to quality assurance. This final section of the paper investigates the implications of international sourcing for APIs, advocating for heightened international collaboration to uphold drug safety standards across borders. Conclusion. This paper establishes that active pharmaceutical ingredients are integral to the efficacy and safety of drugs. The continual evolution of pharmaceutical standards and quality control measures for APIs is pivotal in ensuring the provision of safe and effective healthcare globally. The research underscores the need for ongoing innovation and adaptation in the API management strategies within the pharmaceutical industry.